welcome back. It's Miss Maria,
Miss Abby,
and Miss Megan.
So today we're going to be doing a nature hunt.
You should have gotten one of these papers and it shows everything we're going to look for outside today. But first we're going to do vocab. Should I start? So your first vocab word is bundle. So a bundle is a collection of things that are tied or wrapped together. So if you get one of these, one of yours might have a bundle of green leaves. So that will be green leaves that are tied and wrapped together.
So the next vocab word we have is nature. Nature is the physical world around us, which includes plants, animals, and landscape areas.
And the last and final word is we have environment.
Okay, what is environment?
The environment is everything that is around us.
Wow. When we go outside today, what are we gonna see?
We're gonna see all sorts of the environment, like soil and grass and the trees and other things like that.
Okay, so your next vocab word is search. So if you know what search means, tell me in the comments, pause this video. Today we're actually gonna be searching, right? So we're gonna go outside and we're gonna search for everything on our nature hunt. So searching is finding or looking for things. So today we're gonna be searching for all these things.
Okay, so on our scavenger hunt, our first thing we're gonna find is mulch. So we're gonna go look for mulch, and then this will be. Do we like this piece of mulch? No. Let's look for a good piece of mulch. Let's look over here. Is this mulch? No. Is this mulch not the type we want? Wait a minute. Look. This is perfect. Now let's find 17 of these. I like this piece. This one's more skinny, and this one's more thin, and it's pretty brown. Let's get an orange one for our painting. So I like this orange one. It's like kind of skinny too. Let's keep looking. This one's really thin. I like that this one's really thin. It's skinny. It's very rough. We're gonna use these three as our pieces for our project. So these I'm gonna put here. We're gonna glue them.
So the next thing we're gonna look for is moss, and that's what moss looks like. We're gonna go look. Let's see if we can find any in this environment. We're gonna search all over the environment to see if we can find any moss. What color is the moss, guys? It's green. It's very stringy. Okay, let's go look. We have to look for green, stringy moss. Do you guys see any? Let's look over here. Let's go over here, guys. Is that moss? Guys, we spotted moss. Yay! Let's go put it on our paper. Guys, look. It's like a big version of what our nature scavenger hunt has. Okay, so we found this moss. I'm gonna put it right here, and this is what we're gonna also glue that to our paper because we found a very, very big piece of moss.
The next thing that we're gonna find on the list are the big green leaves. So let's go hunting for the leaves. Let's see. Do you guys see any trees with any leaves on them? Because I can. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trees. So let's go see. It looks like there's only mulch on the ground, so we're gonna have to look for leaves elsewhere. So let's go. Over here we have found our leaves. Whoa. Look at these. Look at how big, and look at the shape, and there's little pointy stuff at the end. So we're gonna go ahead and take this one. Let's
so good because what does it say here? It says big green leaf, and we found a really big green leaf.
Yes. So now we're gonna go back and put it on our paper of our all found materials.
Miss Marissa decided to grab more green big leaves for her
I'm
project.
gonna put it here with the other gathered materials so that we can glue it on
So
later.
next we're gonna be looking for the big brown leaves. So these are probably gonna be found more on the floor since they're dead. So here's one. It has a little bit of green, but that's okay.
How many do you want to find, Miss Megan?
Let's find 3.
Okay.
So here's another one. And then finally we'll do this one. So now that I have my 3 leaves, we're gonna bring it back over to our paper.
Next thing we have to find is a bundle of green leaves, okay? This is kind of what it looks like. So we want to find a stem with multiple little green leaves on it. So let's go look around. What do you guys see? I mean, that doesn't really look like a bundle. Has to be smaller leaves, so. Oh my God, guys. Do you guys see that in the middle of the mulch? Does that look like a bundle of green leaves? Oh, they're so textured. Wow. Let's rip that out. I have found a bundle of green leaves. I've also found the roots. So this is how plants get their water. The water goes through the roots and feeds the plant. So that's really cool. Let's go bring it back to our nature table. We've got our bundle of green leaves, and we also found some roots, which is an extra bonus to our super cool thing that we're gonna do. Okay, so these are all the materials we found. We'll see you guys when we glue them.
Okay, now we're gonna start gluing all of the things we found onto our paper. Okay, now I'm pouring my glue and sticking on the moss I found. This is a big piece of moss. It's very stringy, has a lot of really interesting textures on it. This was our bundle of leaves, and all the leaves were really getting old, right? Because I ripped it out of the ground. And this leaf was super textured, had a few holes, but it has really pretty lines. And now we're gonna glue that on. And now we're gluing on this leaf, which was also another one of the big leaves that had a lot of texture and ruffled ends. Okay, now we're gluing on our big brown leaves. And these were super hard to glue on because when a leaf is dead, it becomes rougher, so it's easier to break. So I had to make sure I wasn't gonna break any of the leaves for my masterpiece. And now I started to add all the mulch, and I wanted the mulch to go around the other stuff I did. So you can do it however you want. I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with, but this was super, super fun for me to do. Okay, so this is the end result, and I cannot wait for the glue to dry so I can put it up in Miss Legler's room, and I really had a lot of fun.
Okay, so we finished gluing all of our stuff onto our big brown paper. I really want to see what you guys did, so send it to Miss Legler so I can see. how long it took you guys to find some of the material. I know it was really hard for me to find some of this stuff here. How many did you guys put? Tell me in the comments, you know.
So what I also would like to know is, what did you guys enjoy most about the lesson? I personally liked finding the stuff outside with Miss Abby and
really
Miss
fun.
Megan. And yeah,
And then I finally want to know what you're being for Halloween and what your plans are for that holiday.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this lesson. If you guys want to comment down what you guys have created, please do that, or tell Miss Legler. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.